sweet. Time to re-moisturize. Yes, spray, spray, spray. Part the hair a little bit. Stay tuned to see what new product I'm getting ready to use next. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today we're going to be using another product from Product Junkie Naturals. This one will be the Sea Moss and Pomegranate Styling Foam from the Sea Moss collection. So I decided to also pair it with the Product Junkie Naturals Double Butter Curl Moisture Cream to add on top. So anyway, I just smelled this styling foam and it smells really good. I mean, it smells like pomegranates. It's not runny. It's not sticky on my hands or my hair. And let me tell you, I've used some styling foams before that's sticky, and that is not cool at all. So anyway, I'm able to run it through my hair pretty nice here, and as you can see, I'm going in with the Double Butter Curl Moisture Cream. And by the way, that's from the Raw Honey collection, and I'm topping that because I just need to add a little bit more moisture. It's cold outside, and I don't know, I just need some cream just in case the styling foam was not moisturizing enough. So anyway, the two blended well together. And oh, where's my oil? Yes, let me go ahead and top it with the oil. And I think this was a castor oil from Amali Organics. Anyway, need to go ahead and do the LCO method. I am low porosity, so I just know my low porosity sisters feel me on this. Anyway, you see how wonderful my hair is reacting with the two products while I'm doing this two-strand twist. Yes, I mean, look at the shine. And you can also see that I haven't used a comb or pick in this video at all. Yes, I prefer to detangle with my fingers. Not everyone does it, to each their own, but it works for me. And if I can go ahead and comb my fingers through my hair without my fingers getting all caught, then I'm good. So as I go ahead and continue on with this, I want to let you know here that this particular styling foam from Product Junkie Naturals does in fact smell like pomegranate. I mean, for real, it has pomegranate oil in it, and you get the added benefit of having sea moss in it. Sea moss is wonderful for not only hair but skin, so make sure you check out my previous videos on sea moss. And as you can see, I am not doing any straight parts. I have different size two-strand twists, but all I care about is it being twisted up. And it's the next day. My hair is thoroughly dry, the shrinkage is real, and so are these curls. I mean, did you see the poppage there? You can't deny the poppage here. And look how easily I'm able to run my fingers through my hair after I take down each two-strand twist. The shine is there, the moisture is there, clearly the definition is there. My hair is not flaking, and it still has bounce. It's not crunchy at all. So I'm thinking about trying the styling foam for a perm rod set. So if you want to see me try that, just the foam in a perm rod set, let me know below in the comments. But yes, my hair is still fluffy. I'm fluffing it around. Again, no comb included in this styling session here, just my fingers. This is day one hair, and I am very pleased. Another wonderful product from Product Junkie Naturals. Make sure you check them out everywhere on social media, and make sure you subscribe. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.